Hey, my name is Benjamin, and I'm making a game in 6 days for the Godot Wild Jam. The twist is that I'm documenting my process here on YouTube each day, and I'm also splitting my day or my week up into 2 phases, the pre-production phase for the first 4 days, or prospecting, and the production phase for the last 2 days, or mining. Now today is the end of the final day, and this 2-phase system is from my book called Production Point: How to Plan and Finish Your Game as a Solo Developer, which is currently on Indiegogo. If you want to check that out, there'll be a link in the comments below. So yeah, it's the final day, and probably came as no surprise to anybody, but pre-production has taken up the entire 6 days. I never actually made it into production. Today, I almost kind of made it into production, like I would consider it game jam version of production. But if we were talking about making an actual game for Steam or something that I was going to release, then no, I never made it to production. There's still too many unanswered questions about the design that I'd like to test, and also the code is a mess. Like, I'd have to rewrite probably this prototype from the ground up because I was so rushed with the code. But I got a lot done, and I'm really proud. So the game is a deck building game where you're defending an egg in the middle of an underground cave, and you've got these monsters coming at you from all angles. And today I implemented spells. They now show the area that they're going to affect. As you get farther in the game, you'll have enemies attacking from multiple sides, so it's not just one side. I'll show that feature here in just a minute. And the player can see the current round. The player also starts, I removed mana, and now the player starts with a lower draw amount, so you draw 3 cards, and then as you gain gold from killing monsters each round, you can upgrade how many cards you draw. And the incentive to not play a card is that you get +1 gold for each card in your hand at the end of your round. So that's the incentive to not play cards. So you want to hang on to certain cards if you can in order to try and get extra gold that way. So yeah, that's and then the egg. It's no longer a dragon, it's an egg, and it's in the center of the battlefield. So here we go. This is what the game looks like. And I've already gotten a few rounds in. We're 19 rounds in, and I've already got a little bit of a build going on here where I'm trying a bulk up. Adds extra health, and on creatures with a small tag, it adds even more health to them. So if they're small, then they get even more health. And so I'm trying a bulk up rat and spider build, and it's not really going that well, to be honest, but we're trying it anyways. So let's start around, and you'll see the enemies do come from multiple angles here. We've got them from all 3 angles. Now this is actually pretty bad because I don't have the resources to really deal with this, but we'll try our best. See what we can do here. Okay. That worked out pretty well. Okay, so you can see I've already upgraded my draw limit 3 times. It starts out at 3, and it costs 80 to upgrade it one more time. Now getting to 80 again is going to be a little bit rough. Well, I might buy these spiders to go with my build. Here we go. Let's do spiders, bulk up. Well, lightning over here, and then the rat should be able to get rid of that. So you can see those spiders have quite a bit of health now. And we're getting far enough on our card draw that I might grab a cobra too. Actually, ice might be really good. The problem with ice is that the bears are polar bears, and so it doesn't actually freeze the bears, which is pretty rough. Let's get a cobra. So another thing that I added, I forgot about this. I added the venomous tag, and anything with a venomous tag applies poison. So if it hits another enemy, then they get poisoned for 10 seconds and take damage over time. So let's grab the cobras. They're also ranged. They spit poison, so oh geez, this is gonna be bad. I can already tell. Let's set the cobras here. Yeah, I didn't have the resources to deal with that many units. Cobras are pretty good though, so... Oh, I could have... That's okay. So our shield took some damage, but we're still going here. I think bears are just really good. I might get bears here just because. Let's just hold off and see how this goes. Okay, so snakes are venomous. And we got double rats and double bulk up. So I don't even know. Oh my gosh. Double bulk up isn't really that good on rats. It looks like if I do this build again, I think I'm just gonna do spiders. Let's get some snake. Well, no. Let's get some ice. I really need a better way to deal with multiple units. Yeah, this build isn't working very well, unfortunately. Maybe bulk up just isn't strong enough, or I'm just struggling to deal with lots of units, big groups of units. So probably what I need to do is I need a fire blast spell, but there's nothing here. We'll get snakes just to see. Who knows? This is not going well. Okay, well, we managed to deal with that. Anyways, I'm just going to end up playing now. So I just want to thank you all for following me as I made this series and did the videos each day. It was pretty exhausting to do a video and do the game jam, but I learned a lot and had a lot of fun with it, and I loved interacting with you all and the comments that you posted, the design ideas that you had, and the feedback you gave me. It was a lot of fun, so I appreciate it. I'll be uploading this tomorrow to itch.io for the jam and submitting it, so you can all check it out there. And also I'll probably make a video on it next week announcing that it's uploaded, so you can check that out. But thank you all so much, and I will talk to you all later.